So, it's happy anniversary to the real estate business. I know we don't typically celebrate 14-day anniversary, but we really are 2 weeks into being back in business for the real estate. After 8 weeks of virtually being shut down, we weren't able to show properties or interact with our clients. It feels great to be back and practicing safely and seeing the activity that we're seeing. Interesting as we look at the comparison and look at about how this quarantine has affected our business. And quite honestly, we're seeing a very strong pace in the real estate business, both commercially and residentially. If we compare the last 2 weeks in sales and compare that to 2019, the same 2 weeks, right now we are seeing that transactions are up almost 48%. So in other words, more units being sold, up 47%, and volume is up 51%. So we are seeing a very, very active market right now. And we're doing, although we've implemented all kinds of different procedures and practices to make sure that everyone is safe, we are still seeing great activity. On a relocation front, we're getting asked lots of questions about what's happening with people who are coming in from other cities and joining our community. Right now, we're business as usual. We are doing community tours. We're helping people with short-term rentals, and obviously we're helping people with home buying needs as well. Interesting, we have implemented a lot of different tools to be able to do this both virtually. So those people that aren't comfortable with face-to-face contact, we can accommodate their needs, but we're also experiencing those people that want to immerse themselves in the process of relocating to our area, and we're able to help them as well. So please reach out to our relocation director, Kristen Clancy, or any of us that can help you during this process.